This is my neighborhood, guys. Hello. Showing my family back home what all's happened here. I know, it's crazy. It looks like a war zone. Everything everyone owns is just all out in their yards. It's just terrible. God bless you. Walking through the neighborhood, going down to where our street is. Just kind of giving you guys a look at basically essentially just a destruction. I mean, these people, everyone here, like every house, this is everything everybody owns, and it's just all out in their yard, trashed. But what's really cool is just there's this just general like happy vibe going. I can't even tell you what it smells like. It's mold, mildew, rotten food. Pretty stinky. But I mean, this is every house, you know, and people, there was very little warning to get out, so not much was saved. Hey Nancy! Neighbor across the street, like I said, just smiling away. People here, it's amazing. Turning down my street. Everybody's kind of keeping their heads up. Or like I said, we're all putting our big girl panties on. This is my street. See, that car was filled with water. A lot of elderly people here in this neighborhood too, which is really sad. This is these homes are small and close together, so it's retirement homes for a lot of people. Hello. Or, young families starting out. Getting closer to our house. Look at this car. That car looks like it was completely covered with water. Well, most of the cars on our street. This is poor Phyllis's car. Nice little old lady. She was one of the first ones boated out. Thank God they got her out quick. And here we are coming up on our house. My poor car is totaled. And this is all the guttings of our house. This is all our stuff. It's all over the place. Appliances, all our furniture, the cutest, coolest little couch that Tanya gave us. Oh, that breaks my heart that it's gone. And here we go. Here's the house so far. Rob had a couple of friends come and they worked really, really hard to, over a course of 2 days, less than 2 days really, and gutted all of the sheetrock and insulation, took all the appliances out, the toilets, all the floorings up. Z is very confused. Here's the den. Here's where we used to have a washer and dryer, and we used to have a hot water heater, and we don't anymore. Mattress got saved. Yay! Used to be our closet. Here's the bedroom.